In this animation, we will demonstrate the repair of a crossover second toe, often caused by a bunion, using the extensor tendon high-strength suture and screws. First, an incision is made over the middle of the foot in line with the second toe. Next, your surgeon cuts the extensor tendon, which will be used to realign the toe, and then sutures the end of the tendon. A series of instruments is used to create a hole in the bones so your surgeon can place the extensor tendon. Next, a wire is used to help move the tendon, along with a high-strength suture, through the bone where a screw holds them in place. The wire is then reinserted into the other bone to allow passage of the tendon and high-strength suture. Then, your surgeon places tension on the tendon and suture until the desired correction is obtained. Lastly, a screw is inserted to hold the tendon and suture, completing the repair of the crossover toe.